step is to boil the chicken. For this, take 2.5 cups of water. For this, I'm using about 250 grams of chicken with bone. To this, add 1 teaspoon of salt, some pepper. Next, add a few cloves of garlic. So cook the chicken till it's completely done. Turn off the stove. The chicken is cooked now. Remove the chicken pieces, cool them. So I have this beautiful chicken stock which is loaded with flavor. Now I'm not going to discard this. I'm going to use the stock to cook the rice. Now I'm going to cook the rice using the chicken stock. I've taken 2 cups of stock and 1 cup of water to cook the rice. So I've taken 1 cup of long grain rice or basmati rice. So I've washed the rice a few times. So now you can see the rice has absorbed all the water and it's almost cooked. Turn off the stove, close it and keep it for a while till we get all the other things ready. Now I'm going to shred the chicken from the bone. We're going to use the chicken pieces for the fried rice. Now I'm going to make the fried rice. Take a nice wide saucepan or a kadai. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Add 2 teaspoons of finely chopped garlic. 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger. 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Add a few spring onion whites, a few beans finely chopped, 1 small carrot chopped, a piece of capsicum chopped, half cup of shredded cabbage. Mix all the vegetables well. Season it with some salt and pepper. The vegetables are cooked. Next, I'm going to add the eggs. Make a well in the center. Crack open 3 eggs. I'm going to season it with a little pepper. Just mix everything together. Now add the shredded chicken pieces. Mix well. So if you see, I'm making a very classic chicken fried rice. I'm not using any sauces here. But if you do want to use some soy sauce, vinegar, you can add to it and make it your own. Season it with some salt and some fresh brown pepper. Now add the cooked rice. So finally add a few spring onion greens and mix everything together. The chicken fried rice is done. Serve it nice and hot. For the chicken Manchurian, I have about 250 grams of chicken mince. This is boneless chicken mince. To this I'm going to add some salt, little pepper, 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon corn flour, 2 teaspoons of Maida, that is all-purpose flour, and I'm going to crack open 1 egg. So now I'm just going to mix all the ingredients together. So next we're going to make the sauce. For that, take a saucepan, a white saucepan, add a little sesame oil, 1 small chopped onion, ginger, 1 piece finely chopped, a few cloves of garlic, green bell pepper or the green capsicum, 1 piece finely chopped. Saute all these ingredients first. So now I'm going to add a piece of red bell pepper. Next I'm going to add these spring onion whites, some spring onion greens as well. Give it a quick stir. Starting with 2 teaspoons of vinegar, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 3 teaspoons of chili sauce, 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup. Just give it a quick mix. Going to add a little pepper. Taken 1.5 teaspoons of corn flour. I'm going to dilute this with a little water. Just add this to the vegetable mixture here. You can add a little more water. Let it cook for a few minutes. So now I'm just going to season it with a little salt, as a little salt is required. Now the gravy is ready. Take a little bit of the mince and roll it into even sized balls like this. And now we're going to gently drop it into the oil. It's got a nice golden brown color. So make sure you fry it till you get a nice golden brown color. The gravy is ready. I'm going to add the fried chicken balls to the sauce. Let this simmer in the sauce for a few minutes. So there you have this absolutely delicious chicken Manchurian, which is a must try. So get going, get your ingredients and start cooking. First, I'm going to make a batter for the egg pieces. For this you would need 2 teaspoons of corn flour, 4 teaspoons of all-purpose flour or Maida. Season it with a little salt and some fresh pepper. So mix everything. I'm going to add a little water to this and make it into a nice batter. Mix it till everything is well combined and it's nice and smooth. Take the egg pieces, dip it in the batter, make sure it's all coated well, and then once the oil is hot, just fry it. So you can see, you don't want it too brown. Once you get a nice golden color, just remove them from the oil and keep it aside. Take a pan, I'm going to add a little sesame oil, about 2 teaspoons. To this, I'm going to add chopped garlic, chopped ginger. Saute this for about 30 seconds. Then add the spring onion whites, piece of green bell pepper or capsicum chopped. Saute this for about 2 minutes. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Reduce the flame. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. This is light soy sauce. If you're using the dark soy sauce, you can use half tablespoon. 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Season this with some fresh pepper. Add the fried egg pieces. Now add the spring onion greens. Turn off the stove. Your egg Manchurian is ready to be served. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 Frames.